Sponge mops are a popular choice for cleaning floors, particularly those that are prone to spills and stains. There are many products available to choose sponge mops, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best sponge mops from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yukata Sponge Mop Home Commercial Use. The Yukata Sponge Mop comes with two honeycomb sponge heads that are more absorbent and breathable, making cleaning easier and quicker. The adjustable iron pole can be lengthened from 42.5 to 52 inches to suit your needs. In addition, the mop has a water squeegee for fast. Number 2. Aeolidon Sponge Mop for floor cleaning. The Aeolidon Sponge Mop features an excellent absorbent honeycomb sponge that easily cleans any smooth hard flooring surface. The self-wringing design makes it easy to squeeze water out, and the mop comes with two PCS reusable sponge heads that can be easily replaced to save money on disposable pads. This versatile mop is also great for cleaning RVs. Number 3. Kitchen Plus Home PVA Sponge Roller Mop. The Kitchen Plus Home PVA Sponge Mop is a super absorbent mop that cleans without scratching all floor surfaces, including tile, laminate, marble, and wood. It is designed with horizontal grooves to remove, absorb, and lift tough dirt, lint, and hair off floors and other hard surfaces. The mop is adjustable in length. Number 4. Sponge Mop Roller Sponge Mop. The Nullapa Sponge Mop is an efficient and versatile cleaning tool that comes with adjustable handle, excellent water absorption, and hands-free squeeze design. The handle can be extended up to 41.3 inches, making it comfortable to use for people of different heights. The grooves on the sponge head collect fine fluff, hair, and dust particles efficiently. The PVA sponge absorbs spills and stains instantly, leaving no scratches on the floor. The hands-free squeeze design is ergonomic and lightweight, making it easy to squeeze out excess water without touching the dirty mop heads. The package comes with 3 sponge head refills, which can be easily replaced. Number 5. Master Top PVA Sponge Mop. The Master Top PVA Sponge Mop for floor cleaning is super absorbent and efficient for cleaning various smooth flooring surfaces. It features a self-wringing design to avoid touching dirty mop head, 3 sponge head refills, and an adjustable handle with a hook for storage convenience. What we like: super absorbent PVA sponge head, efficient groove design for removing dirt, dust, and hair. Self-wringing design keeps hands clean and dry. Comes with 3 sponge head refills. Adjustable handle with a...
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.